Is your Virgin Box remote not responding? Don't worry, most remote issues are easily fixed with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, check the batteries. Dead or weak batteries cause 70 to 90% of all remote problems. Replace them with fresh, high quality batteries, making sure they're inserted with correct polarity. Next, check for obstructions. If you have an older infrared remote, it needs a clear line of sight to the Virgin TV box. Remove any objects that might be blocking the signal path. If the first two steps don't work, try power cycling. Turn off your TV and Virgin TV box for 30 seconds, then turn them back on. You can also unplug the Virgin TV box from power for 30 seconds and plug it back in. These three simple steps, replacing batteries, clearing obstructions, and power cycling, resolve most common Virgin Box remote problems. Try them in order for the best results. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Virgin Box remote issues, it's time for advanced solutions. We'll start with repairing your remote to establish a fresh connection. For Virgin 360 boxes, point your remote directly at the box and hold the TV button and 0 button together for exactly 10 seconds. Watch for the LED light to confirm successful pairing. For V6 boxes, the process is slightly different. Hold the home button and 0 button simultaneously for 10 seconds. The home button is typically located in the center of your remote. If repairing doesn't work, try resetting your remote completely. Hold the TV button and clear button simultaneously for 10 seconds. This will restore the remote to its factory settings. As an alternative solution, you can use the Virgin TV Control app on your smartphone or tablet. This app provides all the functionality of your physical remote and works over your home Wi-Fi network. If none of these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve your issue, contact Virgin Media Support for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance or arrange a replacement remote if needed. Finally, consider that Virgin Media is transitioning to streaming-based solutions like Virgin Stream, now called Flex. If you're experiencing persistent remote issues, upgrading to their newer streaming platform might be a better long-term solution.